Did you know that you can make any objects rotate infinitely in Blender without using a single keyframe? Let me show you a simple trick using frames. First, select the object that you want to rotate, then right click, go to Set Origin and choose Origin to Geometry. This will make the object rotate from its center point. Now press R to rotate the object, then press X or Y to lock the rotation to a specific axis. Let's rotate it to check which axis works properly for this object. Okay, the x-axis is not the proper axis for this object, so let me try the y-axis. Alright, the y-axis works correctly, so for this object, the y-axis is the proper rotation axis. Now go to the Object Properties panel, which is this cube icon on the right side. Here you will see the location, rotation and scale options. You can actually use this method for all of them, but for now we will only animate the rotation. In the rotation section, left click on the Y value, then remove the current value and type #frame times, which is star, then 0.05. After that, increase the end frame to any value you want. Now let's play the animation. As you can see, the object is rotating and it will continue rotating until you pause the animation or until it reaches the end frame. The good thing about this method is that you don't need to create any keyframes to animate it. Now right click on the Y rotation value and choose delete driver. This time type #frame times -0.05. The minus sign will make the object rotate in the reverse direction. If you increase the number, the object will rotate faster. Alright, that's how you can create infinite rotation for any objects in Blender. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.
Caught in the crossfire.